In this short video, I'm going to show you the foundation of a basic C or UD system. Clean, simple and practical. We start on the front end with a very basic admin login. Nothing fancy, just enough to control access and separate public users from administration. This is where all management action begins. Create, update and remove data always starts behind the login. Behind this login, the project is split into two main areas, an admin folder and an include folder. The admin folder handles everything related to management, pages, actions and control. The include folder handles shared logic, configuration, connections and reusable parts. This structure keeps things organized, readable and easy to expand later. Once the structure is in place, we move to the database side. Here I'm not showing queries or logic, only the structure, tables, columns and how data is laid out. This is important because C or UD starts with understanding where data lives, not how clever the code is. This is the foundation, simple structure, clear separation and a system that's easy to grow. In the next video, we'll apply the same layout to a real example, a mailing list C or UD system.